we will be discussing dal today.
Alright.
Yeah, okay, so dal is one of the easiest and the most elegant letter in the calligraphy, I think, because it's like easier to write. Okay, it's like you need to make your hand and the column shape like this, okay, I mean just straight like this. Okay, you can just zoom in my screen. Okay,
Alright.
yeah, you just need to just make it straight, and from here you are just making it this stroke over here, and again till here you just need to make a column straight again.
Okay.
Straight thing over here like this. Yeah, again like this, the straight thing. Okay, so after this, from here a straight stroke and like this, a bit longer than this.
Okay.
Yeah, a difference between this. Okay, there must be a circle, only a small circle difference in there. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna write it again and you need to see it again, that we need to make the column like this. Okay,
Yeah.
and from here we need to make the two cut stroke over here, and again the column like this. I mean this whole stroke must be like 2. Okay, and from like here you just need to make a straight stroke and again a bit curve, and this must be 2.5. Okay, and there is a difference between this. I mean this need to be like this, the angle must be like this. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, okay, you just need to write it again.